Hey everyone! Today, let's shape those adorable bunny noses with some simple embroidery. I have 2 bunnies here, same pattern and stitches. So the technique is exactly the same. I'll show you all the steps clearly on this one, but it works perfectly for your plush bunny too. It's a simple technique that really brings the little character to life. We need some yarn in your desired nose color. I'm using pink today, but feel free to choose whatever you prefer. Make sure it's a thin cotton thread or yarn in size 0 or 1. You won't need much, about 14 inches or 40 centimeters. Our starting point is a chin. Insert your needle here. Bring the needle up to the area right between the eyes, about 1 round below them. This point will mark the top of our little nose, and we're aiming for it to be approximately 3 single crochet stitches wide. The bottom point of our imaginary triangle will be located 1 round directly below this top point, right in the middle. Next, we're going to create the outline of the nose. Simply stitch across all the imaginary lines of this triangle. This initial stitching will define the neat shape of your bunny's nose. Now, carefully turn your bunny upside down so that the chin area is now facing upwards. This might seem a little strange, but it will help. We're now going to fill in the nose. Begin making small, vertical stitches within the outlined triangle. It's important to place these stitches very close together. Keep working your way upwards, continuing to make these tiny, close vertical stitches until the entire triangle is completely filled with your chosen yarn color. Take your time. Once you're happy with how full and neat your little nose looks, it's time to finish off. Bring your needle down to our starting point. Secure your yarn with a good knot, and then carefully weave in the ends to hide them neatly within the stuffing. A cute embroidered nose for your adorable Amigurumi bunny. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you'd love to have a bunny pattern just like this one, you can find it in my shops. All the links you need are in the information box below. Happy crocheting!